stupid fish.
Well, we're about to go out to dinner. And this sky looks really pretty. Look how pretty that is. Okay. And we're walking.
How do we get a smile?
Everybody say hi.
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 Hi. Oh, that's cool. Hi.
Okay, bye.
Okay, wait.
Okay, where are we? Oh.
We're in Rocket Fizz.
Rocket Fizz. I got these. Hannah found her Canadian candy in here, and she's really excited. Like, how happy are you? This one's better than ours. This one's way bigger than ours. I like it.
Here's the thing with the marble.
What the?
These are the marble things.
They have the Japanese drinks where you pop the marble in to drink it.
Have you guys seen these?
They're really cool.
Yes, I have a marble.
I'm looking for something chocolatey. I just don't know what because there's so many. These are my favorite things ever. Look it.
Oh yeah!
Dude, we get so excited about candy.
Candy is amazing. This place is only like 5 minutes away from our school. Look at the Iron Man thing. See it? It's really cool. I have one of these in my room.
Instagram shit worthy.
This is YouTube worthy. Is that real? Keep shining it. Hannah's drink glows. It's really cool. You can't really see it in the video, but
It's Martian poop.
yeah, it's called Martian Poo. That's the name of it.
Can you shine the light on
It
it?
glows.
Oh.
You have to use a black light, but it really does glow. It's cool.
Does the label glow, Hannah?
Like when
No.
like in the light it looks pink, but with the black light it's like blue.
It's like green.
That is really cool. Okay, so we're playing a game
I got
called
the green one!
Bean Boozled, and what you do is you flip this thing right there,
Is this the one she got?
and it lands on a jelly bean, and for each flavor there's like a good flavor or a bad flavor.
I don't want to.
So, oh,
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm really
okay.
scared.
She got the booger flavor like I did. Like for the green one there's a booger and then there's a pear flavor,
Okay.
and we both got booger. And then Lauren got skunk
That's not good.
for black.
Try
And now Hannah's gonna go. It's a really fun game. We just started it like 2 seconds ago. What's Hannah gonna get? What is she gonna get?
What is that?
It's a
Bar for peach.
bar for peach.
So which one am I getting? The black. These.
You don't know.
You pick
What
one.
color am I supposed to pick?
Oh,
this one.
This one. This orange with the red.
It's not bars.
And you have to put the whole thing in your mouth. Mm-hmm. Except if you get black, that would really suck.
Peach.
We have napkins to spit out the really disgusting flavors.
Oh man,
Okay.
I hate baby white.
We're listening to
I
Disney.
don't like coconut, so.
So I love coconut. We're gonna. She got another bad flavor.
This is a baby white.
No, I can't really tell.
I dropped you guys.
Soapy.
I'm sorry.
Actually tastes like a baby.
Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. About to try a black one. It's either gonna be black licorice or skunk. Both are bad. Hannah got a skunk. And she's not doing so well, so I'm really scared. Lauren got a skunk earlier. So. I'm trying it right now. I got a black licorice. I want to try the skunk though. I'm determined to try it. Did you eat it? I got a black licorice. I'm doing another one to see if I can get skunk. You got licorice?
It's still in my mouth. Dude, it is bad. Like, don't even.
Eat one of those. Licorice? It's another licorice.
She got licorice.
Twice in a row.
You suck. Take it.
No, you keep going.
I'm gonna. Have you gotten skunk?
Yup.
Yeah, I got it.
Think about skunk
Oh my
smell
god!
in your mouth.
Oh my god! Oh, you ate that whole thing, you sicko! Oh my god, that tasted like I was eating a fart.
That made me gag. Straight up.
It makes you gag. It literally tastes like a fart.
Freaking rotten egg.
It's stuck in my mouth. It was only in for like 2 seconds.
Believe me.
I'm gonna read off all the flavors. So there's juicy pear or booger, coconut or baby wipes, licorice or skunk, banana or pencil shavings, which I got pencil shavings, peach or barf. Nobody's done that one.
Let's do it.
Strawberry jam or centipede, buttered popcorn or rotten egg, chocolate pudding or dog food, which was so gross. Berry blue or toothpaste, caramel corn, and moldy cheese, and that's about it. Wait, I want to try.
Wait, is this one too?
Wait, none of us have tried the barf, the peach or the barf,
I got peach when I did it.
so we're all gonna try it together. Okay, ready? Let's all pick one. Peach or barf?
I need to like. Sorry,
Peach
my
or barf?
mind is like.
When I got skunk, like, you think of the smell of skunk, you get it in your mouth, and it's just,
Why did you swallow it?
because I had to do it. I had to do
Dude,
it.
I can still smell the skunk. This is like not.
It gets like, do you see the huge bite that took out of that thing? I like to
Work,
have it.
girl.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, we're all doing it.
Oh my gosh.
All right,
Wait,
wait.
Here's the prize, guys. Turtle. Come on.
I have mine ready.
Okay, guys, get ready. We're all gonna. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! Catalina got peach.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. I've been Ew. I'm gonna try it.
Don't get barf. Whatever you do, don't get
I'm
barf.
gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna try. Stop it! I just have to try mine. Okay, ready? Here I go.
Yeah, that was
Spit it out.
Why are you eating it?
Spit it out.
Why are you
Okay,
eating
here I
it?
go, guys.
Go, go, go. Ah. The 2 gingers get barf.
I couldn't do it. I couldn't swallow.
Oh god.
Yeah, that was disgusting.
Oh, the really did taste like barf. Like, I feel like it
It
just
literally just tastes like barf. Like I just ate barf. It sucks because the flavors get like stuck in your teeth.
That wasn't peach.
It wasn't peach?
No.
It switched flavors on you? Switched.
I'm literally gagging right now.
We just finished Bean Boozled, and we all tried all the flavors, and it was so disgusting, but fun, very fun. Hi. I can't really.